What's up guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a chest randomizer system in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Anyway, let's get started. So before I get started, it's actually pretty notable that this farm can be scaled up to basically however big you need it to be. So if you need it to be like a loot table of 100 possibilities, you can do that. Or if you need multiple loot tables, you can do that. This farm is easily scalable. Anyway, let's get started with building. In this case, I'll have 4 possibilities for one loot table. Place however many possibilities you would like in a row. Do not make these double chests or your farm will break. Then just place armor stands on top of these. Now, grab an anvil and rename a name tag to whatever you really need it to be. Make it something memorable so you can easily find it whenever you need to. Now load up the chest with items. And now just pull out a command block and paste this command. So to help with you understanding what this command is doing, I'll explain what's happening. So this is basically cloning the block around something, which is what this is. And what the start of the command is, that is telling it what to run that command as. So it's running it as an armor stand, but you need to tell it what that armor stand is called. So in this case, I named it A, so it is going to be that. So just copy and paste the command in the description and change this if you use a different name. And then at the end, the C is a placeholder for whatever we are going to put in as the coordinates. So you're probably going to find this super weird, but you're actually already done. Just place a button on that command block, and it should place that. And if you press it again, it will choose a new one. Don't be alarmed if it chooses the same one twice or even multiple times in a row, because that happens with randomized stuff. And as you can see, this is working. Additionally, I'll show you just how scalable this farm is. So I went ahead and added another loot table to this. So there's A and B. This one gives you ingots, and this gives you milk buckets. So if I click here, it's going to give me that randomized. But if I click here, it's going to give me that randomized. And it's fully scalable. You can do whatever you want with this. As long as it's being rendered in, it's fine. Which if you don't know how to use ticking area, just Google it and you'll figure it out pretty quickly. Because otherwise you'll need to have this constantly rendered in and you'll begin to have issues. Anyway, if you found this helpful, smash like and smash subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.